Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is a domino set. You can see it comes with this really nice case, and it has a little handle so that you can carry it around with. Now, I do have a lot of family in Oklahoma that loves playing dominoes. I don't know how to play, but I wanted to practice because I do plan on going out there for Thanksgiving, and I would love to play with my grandma and grandpa. You can see it has this little mesh area right here. You can keep everything kind of put away. It comes with these dominoes, and it's 2, 4, 6. So it comes with 28 dominoes. So that's what it looks like. And then it comes with 4 different domino holder sets. Comes with this right here. And then your little user manual, and it'll tell you like how to play dominoes. So you can see it has these little spots right here, which is like a little knot. It's like something that's going to keep it from scratching up. So it comes with 4 of these. And then when you're done using it, you can just throw them right into there. This is what the dominoes look like. Let me see the quality and everything of them. So this is what the dominoes look like. It's pretty much like your average domino set. And pretty much what you'll do is you'll set them out like this and see what you have to play where the other person could not see. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like in use. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.